Alright, good morning. So it's February 22nd. We're out here at Pole Steeple Trail in Michaux State Forest. We're going to take this trail up and it hooks up with the Appalachian Trail. We're going to head south on that, down past through Pine Grove Furnace State Park and past the Appalachian Trail Halfway Monument. We're going to try to make it down to Tom's Run Shelter, have lunch there, and then turn around. So it should be somewhere between 15-16 miles out and back. It's cold. It's only about 13 degrees right now, so we're ready to get started, get our blood moving, try to keep warm. We're ready to get to it and warm up here a little bit. Made it up here to the top of Pole Steeple Overlook. Not a bad climb up here. We just had to deal with some of that ice like we had in our last hike up in the Duncannon area. There's just snow, then it melts and refreezes and just makes it really slick. So had to deal with a little bit of that, but made it fine. So we're gonna take a couple-minute break here and then move on down, hook up with the Appalachian Trail and just keep heading south. Sun's out for once too, which is nice, and we don't have any wind, so even though it's cold out, it's not terrible once you start walking. I think this is Fuller Lake here, frozen. So we're going to continue this way. Pine Grove Furnace General Store closed. I don't know if it's open in the winter or not. I think that's where everybody gets their ice cream when they're heading through hikers. And there's a museum up there. Kelly way up there. She was getting some pictures. All right, we're here at our first break. We made it through Pine Grove Furnace State Park, and we're back up into the woods here. We're about 4.5 miles in, so we're gonna take lunch here and then just continue on. So we'll check in probably, I don't know, a few miles from here, see where we're at. Yeah, we're actually starting to get hot now. It's only 13 when we started, but the sun's out and it's warming up, and we're doing some uphill here, so starting to sweat actually, which is nice. Good change for once. Halfway monument for the Appalachian Trail. 1,090 miles to Georgia, 1,090 miles to Maine.
Everybody's signatures in the inside.
Yeah. Anybody watching this recognize their signature in there?
2012.
Yeah. There's a little mailbox over here. Not sure what's in that. Log book and stuff.
Let's see what it says. There's a letter in here.
See the coffee first. Now, get ready. No, I did. I started. Yeah. Just a little bit. so now let's see that water. Just gotta get it out now. No, no, I think the water is right now. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so we reached the Tom's Run shelter. Nice area down here. They have this shelter where you can sleep, bathroom up there, a little picnic area here. Looks like there's some chairs and stuff down there. We no sooner got here, a group of about 10 people showed up, coming up from the south, so we got just the right timing, or we might not have got this picnic table. Yeah, this has been a great hike so far. Really nice terrain, a lot of things to see. Good.
Not hot as stuff.
Yeah. This is our first time trying this mussel mac cooked this way. We're gonna cook it up and then put some pack of tuna in it.
Tuna and then the cheese, and then that'll give us a lot of protein.
I'll put a lid on.
Next, we're gonna add the cheese.
I think we should just add everything.
Let's get the cheese incorporated. Give it a stir. Get all the cheese incorporated.
Oh, that looks good.
Once all the cheese is dissolved, then I'll
I think we ought to turn
turn the burner off.
Well, don't you want to put the tuna in there quick? Get that hot, or?
It's already hot enough. Then we're gonna add the tuna. Mike, do you have your tuna?
Yeah. Oh, I got the lens like
Foggy.
yeah. Let me use your spoon. Yeah, turn this off.
Yeah, turn it off.
It's starting to stick a little bit.
You got more tuna in here.
I got enough of it.
Let me try to get it out. Let me see.
That's good. Good.
I can't eat it. And then for the end result, we have creamy, delicious tuna mac.
Smells good. Definitely it tastes good.
Alright, number neat.
Here's a little tour of the shelter area. That's where we just ate, up there at that little pavilion. Up there's the bathroom. Kelly's gonna see if it's open. All right, we're 12 miles in. Just stopped here for our last break. We're in the Pine Grove Furnace State Park here, to picnic table, sitting in the sun here. So we probably have about three and a half miles to go, something like that. So yeah, we're just gonna sit here and take our last break. Great hike so far though. We had really nice terrain, not hardly any rocks, a nice up and down, some nice flat spots. So yeah, pretty good day. We're making pretty good time. So we'll probably check in again at the end of the video. All right, guys, we just finished up 15.32 miles, right?
Yep.
Yeah, great. Loved the trail. It was a really nice section of trail. We'll probably definitely do it again.
I'm gonna say it was our most favorite part of the Appalachian Trail, don't you think? The trail.
Yeah, it was really good. We saw some side trails that will probably definitely come back and make it a higher mileage hike as we progress in our stamina, but yeah, definitely a place that we'll be back to.
Terrain was nice. There was a few bathrooms along the way, some picnic tables. You just have to be careful if you go up to Pole Steeple. There's a lot of ice, so you need to make sure if you're here in the winter you have the appropriate foot gear.
Yeah, Pole Steeple is very bad with ice. We made it this whole 15-mile hike, and I wiped out about 50 yards from the end, so probably let my guard down. But all right, so we'll check in with you next time.